Model, 2020 Vauxhall Combo L1 SPT 2001.5100 PSTDS, S Euro 6 needs turbo. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 75,460. Engine, 1,499 cc 1.5 turbo 100 PSS, S. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: engine will run only if you put power, probe the starter motor. This is due to an Adblue fault not allowing the engine to start. Once running, the engine runs perfect. The turbo will need replacing. Basically, fix the Adblue and put a turbo on it and it will be perfect. Grin. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 0